Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Home Remedies presents Remove Blackheads with one simple and effective trick. Everyone wishes to have clear skin. Still, there are little dots that are called blackheads, which are very annoying. Blackheads are small pimples with no skin on them, and because of that, when they become exposed to moisture and air, they oxidize and turn into brown, black color particles called blackheads. Probably most of you have heard about many different ways for removing the blackheads, and you have even tried them. In some cases, blackheads are soft enough and they can be eliminated by scrubbing. However, there are blackheads that can be very difficult to remove. So if you are prone to blackheads and you are looking for effective solution that will be quick and painless, then you need to watch this video till the end, because I will present you an effective DIY pack to get rid of blackheads. Ingredients needed: mint toothpaste, 2 to 3 ice cubes, salt, spoon to mix, small bowl. In one small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon salt with 2 tablespoons mint toothpaste. Mix them until you get a nice homogeneous mixture. Apply the paste on the nose and leave it to act for about 5 minutes to dry. After that, you need to put some water on your nose and massage it gently with circular motion. At the end, when the nose is clean, rub an ice cube on it. This is going to close the pores. At the end, dry your nose. Why this works? The salt is a natural antibacterial agent and is very beneficial for defoliating the skin. Salt is not going to dissolve in toothpaste, and because of that, it's the best combination. Mint in the toothpaste is going to open your pores and will kill any bacteria. The toothpaste deeply cleans the pores and plucks out the blackheads. Beware that the nose might turn up red, but the redness is going to disappear after a while. If you have dry skin, you should use a moisturizer after the treatment. In addition, it is very important to do the massaging very gently. If you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.